strategy, long-term investment, HDFC bank stock review, investment, finance, banking, money, profit, wealth, income, stock market,
trading, share market, buy, sell, investment strategy, long-term investment, short-term trading, passive income, financial freedom, wealth creation, dividend income, stock analysis, market analysis, banking sector, India, digital banking, online banking, mobile banking, secure banking, UPI payment, savings account, current account, debit card, credit card, ME, home loan, personal loan, car loan, business loan, gold loan, insurance, mutual fund, SIP, tax saving, capital growth, financial planning, smart investment portfolio, trading account, Demot account, premium banking, cashback, rewards, banking app, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, salary account, instant payment, online transfer, customer support, economic growth, banking news, investor confidence, stock performance, quarterly results, net profit, revenue growth, market cap, blue chip stock, trusted banking stock, strong fundamentals, high quality stock, stable stock market leader, India, private sector bank, retail banking, corporate banking, banking technology, future growth, market recovery, bullish stock market, capital appreciation, portfolio growth, earning report, financial success, investment opportunity, secure investment, high return stock, stock research, market trend, share price growth, finance, education, business finance, money management, investor strategy, strong balance sheet, trusted financial brand, India Stock Exchange, NSE BSE trading volume, financial services, banking, future digital finance, cashless payment, investment return, long-term wealth planning, smart money investment ideas, growth, stock value investing, banking company profit growth, earning growth, top banking stock, India economy growth, wealth management, income generation, high value investment, stock update, finance channel, trading tips, investment learning, market opportunity, risk management, stock forecast, finance news, market movement.
ગરમીનો જ ખાવાની મજા ન આવે. ગરમી નો મન થાય.
કેટલા કિલોની? 400 વાળી.
3 કિલોની હોય તો 600. 800 ગ્રામની આવતી છે.
નાની આવે. આ જેટલા કહો 400 ગ્રામ 400 વાળી. આ કવંજી લાયા છે.
હાલશે નો કહેવાય ને. પાડા નાઈ ડાલે.
આવ્યા પણ જમવું.
લેવું હે વેફર સિંગ ભજીયા પાણી કોઈ થયો યાર લેવું મેં ખાધું એટલે થોડુંક જ્યાદા ही हो गई જાજુ વહી ગયું થોડુંક
હા
મંદિરે નથી જવું